Hi, hello, namaste viewers. The topic we have chosen today is a very interesting one and also a very good project for engineering beginners. The project is you can measure DC volt using Arduino UNO at Mega 328. It's going to be the controller. Components used are Arduino UNO, voltage sensor, OLED display and a solar panel. So we know solar energy is generally we get from sun, and we know the basics that is from a photovoltaic cell. So now I am going to say the new thing. There are actually three types of solar energy, that is monocrystalline, polycrystalline and thin film solar panels. In this now we have used thin film solar panels, and using this we have made this. So in general I have made this to measure DC volt and specifically to measure the solar panel volt which is coming which differs every second. So that's the purpose of designing this. And why I have chosen Arduino UNO, because it's the best microcontroller to adapt, and we can do more than 1000 plus projects using this one single controller. This is user friendly with all types of sensors. So this is going to be the connection. So VCC to solar panel and ground. So remaining you can see the connection is very simple one. SCL, SDA, VCC, ground. Connecting this to the similar pins in the Arduino UNO. So now we will go to the coding part. Actually in coding part we have to measure the resistance and we have to code. For example, in this I have mentioned 29700 in resistor 1. That is nothing but the resistance of the first resistor which is in the voltage sensor. So we have to use a multimeter to measure the resistance in the resistor of the voltage sensor, so you can get a perfect voltage. So that's the purpose, and the coding part is available in the description part. So in coding I have mentioned lot of wordings because to make the display more attractive and catchy. So that's the purpose of using a very long code, or else the code will be a very small one. So now you can straight away notice I have given the code through Arduino controller in the Arduino software, which is we have to install in our lap or PC. So once we have installed, we have to run the program in the Arduino and we have to save. So once we have saved, the program is enough, and now you can see when I bring the bright light, in spite of solar energy, now I am doing this in the room. So I have used my flashlight as a photovoltaic cell producer. So now you can see the voltage will be 4.33. Slowly I bring back the light from the solar panel. The voltage decreases gradually. So when I bring the light towards the solar panel, the voltage increases. When I bring back, it decreases. So now you can get an idea how the voltage is being generated in solar panel, the photovoltaic cells in the thin film panel, and you can see the readings too. So the project is going to be very simple one and a very best project for beginners. Every details is available in description part. So thank you friends for watching the video. Please subscribe for further videos. Thank you.